Today I'll be measuring my broilers, my sweet broilers. I'll be measuring my broilers. This is 3 weeks broiler today, making it complete 3 weeks. 3 weeks dots. That I brought this broiler from the hatchery. So today, some people have been saying that they want to know the weight of my 3 weeks broiler. So now I'll be measuring like three of them to see their weights. Let me start from this lovely baby. Oh. Okay, let me start from this one. This one wants to go first. I have to remove it. First. And put it on. I think it's in 0 now. Put this beautiful baby. Whoa. This is 867, 66, 65, 63, 863. I think this is the correct weight. Okay. Let me shake another baby. Which one? This is one of the smallest, the one I measured now. I think from what I'm seeing, it is one of the smallest. Let me see this one. This one is big. Let me check this one. This one is. Come on, stay one place now. Oh my goodness. I have a lot of things I'm going to do. This one is trying to stress me. This one is 869. 63. 863. Come here. I think, let me measure the very last one to see the weight. So let me choose this one. This one. This is stand well. This is 820. I think this is the smallest. I've measured like 3, and all that I'm getting is 800. This is about 50 broilers there. So you guys, please help me. You can always ask me for anything, for any solution, the best drugs to use, the best breed to get. You can always ask me. Please help me subscribe and follow. Follow on my Instagram, follow on my TikTok, follow on my Facebook page and my YouTube page. Thank you all.